Alright, hello artist. Bro, look out! Ah! Oh, there it is! Today we're drawing the bull shark! Don't forget, if you like these drawing tutorials and want to do more, check out our teacher store. That's right, a bunch of lessons of how to draw comic books and other animals and all kinds of cool stuff. Check it out in the description. Down below is the link. Shoot. Hey everybody! I'm just swimming in... That's not working, is it? What's up everybody? Welcome to another underwater drawing cartoon adventure. Why am I saying adventure? Tutorial. Today we are drawing a bull shark. And I'm looking around and I did not bring my little cheat sheet. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. I'm supposed to have this all set up. Today we are drawing a bull shark requested by you. That's right, you. You comment below, tell us what you want to draw, and guess what? We're going to draw it. So we did a bull shark for the Wild Kratts. I got to tell you. Now Asher, he's not here for Asher Cam, but he says the bull shark doesn't look anything like the great white shark lesson that we did. You can see the great white lesson right here. So I did the bull shark, and to me it looks pretty much almost the same thing, but a little bit different, slightly different. Maybe you guys can tell me what the differences are, but for now let's turn our papers landscape or sideways, and let's go ahead and get our 3P. What? Do you hear that? What is that? Oh my gosh, it's the announcement music of new merch. That's right, we got new merch. Check below in the description. You can get yourself a cool shirt. Not this one, but even cooler shirts. This is not cool at all. All right, so let's go ahead and turn our papers landscape. Get our 3Ps out. Our paper, our pen, and our pencil. I shouldn't wear sandals when I do this. Paper, a pen, and a pencil. Hope you have an eraser as well. And I've got 3 of them over here. And let's get started. Turn our papers landscape sideways and get your pencils out and let's get started. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is make a nice big circle. But connect your circles. Now it looks like a circle with a little hair on it. All right. Oh, now I've erased it. Circle. Okay, there we go. Once you have your beautiful circle, we're going to go to the top and the bottom, and we're just going to shoot to the back here. And we're going to basically make a sideways ice cream cone. Not doing a very good job. And that's why you guys use a pencil, because you can make it look better. All right, so let's try it again. All right, there we go. So we got our ice cream cone laying down. It's dripping all over the sidewalk. That's okay. We're going to make it work. Then we're going to go over here. We're not going to go to the very end of the ice cream cone. We're going to cut right into here. Like we want to bite in there, get some of that chocolate or whatever kind of ice cream we got in there. I eat the bottom of the ice cream cone. I like to get some of the, because I like the chocolate covered cones. So anyway, all right. So anyway, we're going to make a little cut right in there, and we're going to make a curved line that goes up, 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 really high up. We're going to go down the other side, and we're not going to go as far up. We're going to go a little bit shorter. Okay, once you have a short side and a long side, then you're going to be able to connect these two, and let's go ahead and just connect them with a straight line. All right, once you have your straight line and you've connected them, I'm going to try and clean this up a little bit here because it looks horrible. All right, make sure this is longer. It's longer up there, right? Mine's a little, maybe mine should be a little bit shorter. A little bit shorter on the bottom. I want to make sure. Long, short. Okay, connect them. Once you got them connected, we're going to, what are we going to do? We're going to go crazy. And we're going to actually make this even longer. Ah, it's gone long and now it's even longer. We're going to go from where the little tippity-toppity of the ice cream cone is, and we're going to just make a curved line to connect it. All right, once you got that, we're going to go up here and we're going to make the letter L. And did I do that right? I think I did that right. Okay. Then down below here, we're going to just make a little marking, a little curve line, just like that. There. All right. Then we're going to fill these in. All right, let's go to the other side now. Over here to the front side. And we're going to, you know it, we're going to make a cone. So we're going to pop again. And we're going to go make a cone. So it looks like a nice big fishy. I mean, we are making a shark, right? After all, we're making a shark. All right, once we've had that, we're going to go ahead and, we can actually go ahead and really start getting into this now. Let's do the mouth. The mouth is actually going to go from the side here, not on the tippy top of his nose, but on the side here. And it's going to curve down, just like that. And some of you might be touching the circle, some of you might not, but that's okay. Once you have that curved line, we're going to go right back, and we're going to make another curved line. This one is more of a happy face. This is like a little flat rainbow. This is like a little flat happy face. Okay. There's probably an easier way I could have said that, but then we're going to erase what's in there. Then we're going to have some fun. Let's do some triangles and make some teeth. Yeah! I love it. We're going to do the bottom, make some teeth, triangles. Just triangles pointing down, triangles pointing up. I'm not sure if we zoomed in on that part or not. Okay. Then we're going to make his eyeball, which is going to be very close to the circle here. So just place it in there. It's just going to be a circle. Then we're going to, inside there, make another circle, or an oval, right inside there. All right, once you got that, we're going to give him a little bit of a bigger nose. So we're just going to go like that, like a little curve. He's got a little bit of a bulgy nose. I'm not sure why. I'm sure some of you all are very aware of why he does, but anyway. Okay. All right. So, I didn't even notice that. I will have to do that next. So we're going to go ahead and make all his fins, and these are fun. So we're going to go right down here to the, we're going to go right down here, and we're going to make a straighty line, and then it's going to curve up to the circle. Looks like another, looks like we're making another ice cream cone, but this one's not quite as big. All right. Anyway, yes, there we go. Yeah, it looks beautiful. All right, let's go up to the top. Same thing. We're going to pop up a fin that's shooting straight up like that. And this is kind of a weird... Okay. All right. Nope, that's right. Okay, so we're going to do a nice big fin, staying straight up, and then it's going to come right back down, and it's kind of pointing down to the side of this circle, if you see that. Okay. Then, once you have, and this is a pretty big fin. Make it as big as you want. He's got a pretty big fin. All right. Ugh. I think I made it worse. All right. Let's do all his smaller fins. And we've got one over here, which goes like that. And you can do a triangle, or you can shoot a line that's kind of curved back, going back first, and then make a curvy line that connects it to it. So that might be an easier way to do it. Up here, we're going to do a curvy line, and then another curvy line coming back. All right. This one's got a lot of fins. All right, we're going to have two more fins. These are going to be smaller than this one here. One, like that. Oh. I didn't say that. This is actually bigger than this one. Yes, there's a kitty. Hi, kitty. That is Schmite, or as we call black and white, but for whatever reason, we have nicknames. Don't you have nicknames for your cats? I'm sure you do. What do they say? 3 names for every cat, right? You have the actual name, you have the nickname, and then you've got the secret name, which only the cats know because they know their own name. They have the secret. I don't know. Anyway, all right. Then once you have that, we're going to do a small triangle like that. Okay, let's see. Yes. So let's look at this big one here, and it's going to go into here a little bit. So let's draw a little bit, and then we're going to do a slanty line going this direction, and another slanty line going towards that direction. We are going to erase everything in here. All right. Now, we're getting there. This fin, make sure this fin is a little pointy. Mine doesn't look very pointy, does it? It's supposed to be pointy. All right. We're gonna, oh my goodness, I almost forgot his other fin. So he's got another fin right over here. And the way this is gonna work is, it's a letter V. It's a large letter V that's gonna be slightly smaller than this one. So let's do a letter V that's kind of curvy. All right. A little curvy letter V there. Do you see that V shape? All right, let's go ahead and get rid of the big circle at this point. We can get rid of that now because we are going to dress up our bull shark and he's going to look beautiful. First thing we're going to do is we're going to do a curvy line inside this big fin. And you are going to, I'm going to fill it in black, but you guys can color these guys so he looks wonderful. Also, let's go down here. We're going to do 3 curves. One, oh, it's like 3 letter C's. Backwards C's. I'm going to fill these in. All right. We're going to do 3 over here. 1, 2, 3. These are a little bit flatter. All right. 2 on this one. 1, 2. There we go. 2 on this one. These are kind of flat. We filled that in already. Okay. We can go ahead and erase everything in there. Those lines. Okay, now he's got some decorations. Oh, we got up here. Look, zoom in, and go right here. You can see we did a little curved line. We're gonna fill that in. So it's like on the sides of all his fins, he's got this little black stuff going on. You know, let me make this a little bit more pointy. I don't know why I didn't go pointy with my. Oh, that's very pointy. Ow, ow. That might be too pointy. I'm gonna hurt myself. All right, so let's go ahead and you know what? I'm gonna actually fill in his eye. Fill his eye in a little bit. This wasn't in my directions, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay, now we're gonna do the crazy part. You guys ready? Let's do this. Let's check it out. Let's get our muscles. Let's get our art muscles going, and we're gonna. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go from the middle of his nose. Yes. And we're going to just do a curved line. And we're going to drop that curved line just before you get to the eyeball. And when you get to the eyeball, we're going to make another curved line. It goes around his mouth. Whoop, whoop, like that. Okay. Now we're going to do a happy face like that. And then we're going to make a little curved line just like that. Drop it down to the fin. We're going to go up to the other side of the fin. We're going to do a curved line like that. And then we're just going to connect it to the back there. All right, you would think that we are done, but I just seen something. Oh, so you guys are lucky because you have a pencil and it won't hurt you. But what we're going to do is we're going to go from, is it from his mouth? Right from his mouth over down there. We're going to do a slight, just a slight, oof. Slight, that might be even bigger than, but we're doing a slight curved line, just like that. And then we're going to erase everything inside it because he's got like a kind of a big jaw, and that was actually in my instructions. I just forgot to do it, but it's okay because it actually works. Everything still works fine. All right, now let's get his nose, and all he's got for a nose is a little curved line, just like that. And then he's got 4 gills. Are you guys ready for this? 4 gills, and we're going to start from right at the end of his fin. Let's go straight up, and we're going to make, yes, we're going to make 1 flat letter C. We're going to make another one right next to it, a little bit bigger. One right next to it, a little bit bigger. Guess what? One more right next to that, a little bit bigger. If you're getting too close to the eye, that's okay. At the top of each of these curves, we're going to make little slanty lines that are shooting straight up there. And then the bottoms are going to have little teeny curved lines shooting downwards. Okay. Guess what? That's it. We're actually done. So, what I thought I would do is draw. You guys like bubbles? You guys like the little bubbles? I'm going to draw some little bubbles. And to make the effect of little bubbles floating around is just a bunch of little circles in different sizes. So do a bunch of little ones and then a few larger ones. I'm going to go to the back and do the same thing. I'm going to do a little bit of little ones. And a couple big ones. So it kind of looks like we're in the ocean. We are in the ocean with this beautiful shark. So there's your bull shark. So there it is. We're done. All I can say now is ink these in, color them up, dive in the ocean with this shark. Let's go swimming. That doesn't make any sense. Send them over to the, we have a Facebook page. If you check the description below here, you'll see a link to our Facebook page. I want to see your bull sharks. I believe they look up on the internets or find what color they are. I believe they're brown or tan. I believe so. Anyway, send them to me. We will post them on the Facebook page. We will post them on the YouTube community. And if you're watching this on another channel, we will try and post them up there. But anyway, you guys keep on drawing. Wait a minute. Are we picking something out? Hello? Pick something out. I want you to pick something. All right, we're going to pick something out because the whale said so. I shouldn't have had so much sugar before I started this. I'm just like all over the place fasting. Okay. Well, no one else is helping me out today. So, we are going to do this ourselves and see. These are your comments. Your comments are right here. And we're picking out Coddish is a Vegemite. Coddish? Oh, Coddish is the name of a Vegemite, and that's got to be from the Octonauts. So, Sana requested Coddish the Vegemite. So, we will be drawing that very soon for you. You guys have a great day. Keep on drawing. The more you do, the better you get. All right, I'm going back in the water. What? You want to draw more? Well, we got more videos for you to watch. Check out any of these, and please share this with all your friends. Let's get more people drawing. The more you draw, the better you get. All right, see you at the next video.